What will be the best engineering branches that you people can have it? These all parameters are one side, but the another parameters you should always have a passion. So in future you will see that everywhere you will be using the AI. Cyber security, whenever there is an internet, there is a problem of security. So how to manage those kind of security? Hello dear students, today we will be talking about the highest scope in the future. So basically in this session, I will be talking about what will be the best engineering branches that you people can have it. So here we will be discussing what are the scopes that you can have for CS and DA, and for mechanical, for EEE and EC, and for civil engineering. So best engineering fields for the future, a simple guide for the top careers in engineering. See, there are different types of branches. So this video will be very helpful for those students who are preparing or who are thinking that they want to opt for civil engineering. So what are the options that are available after after civil engineering, or what are the options that will be available for EEE, or what are the options that will be available for computer science, what are the options that will be available for electronics, mechanical, automation and robotics. So today we will be discussing about each and every particular topic. So now as you can see that engineering nowadays, wherever you are going, everywhere you are getting you have to apply the knowledge of engineering. Suppose for example, even if you are working for internet security, you will require some field or some knowledge of engineering. Or even if you are constructing the bridges, you will need the knowledge of civil engineering. Even if you are making the highway, again you will need the concept of civil engineering. So nowadays, whatever you people will do, you will always require some kind of engineering. So what makes a great career? See, whenever you are trying to choose any particular field, so there are two things basically. The first thing is basically you have to be a little bit of passion. You should have a little bit of passion, and then you have to see and go through that what are the demanding jobs that will be available. So there are two things. So one is basically a job demand, high number of job openings should be there, and you should have a good pay, competitive salaries you should have. And then there is always an innovation which constantly improving and evolving, and you will always be having the global opportunity. So whatever the type of the branch you will try to opt for, you always try to evaluate on this particular parameters. So for example, suppose if you are in 12th and you want to go and you want to see whether you want to go for civil engineering, or whether you want to go for EEE, or whether you want to go for EC. So you should have the concept of what are the job demands, is there good pay or not, and then the innovations and global opportunity and versatility. So you should be having all these things. These all are the parameters. Based on that you have to evaluate, and these all parameters are one side, but the another parameters you should always have a passion. Suppose if you are having the passion such that you want to go and you want to construct the bridges, suppose if you want to go and you want to construct the roads. And suppose for example another students who are also thinking that they want to, or he or she wants to go for trying to design a new kind of chip with respect to EC branch. So you should have that particular passion. So let's talk about the comparing careers. See, engineering fields, for example AI and machine learning. So average salary in India will be 10 to 15 lakhs. Average salary in the US will be 1.2 to 1.5 CR. Data science again on an average 10 to 14 lakhs, and here you will be having 1 to 1.4. Robotics and automation 8 to 12 lakhs, and here 1 to 1.3. Cyber security 9 to 13 lakhs, 1.10 to 1.40. Renewable energy engineering, because sometimes the students are also having a passion, but what they do, they just ignore their passion and they try to go for the different types of the options. But the main thing, what are the lagging point? The lagging point, they are not aware about those things. So sometimes students are having the interest in renewable energy, but they are not having that idea where to get that admission, or how to approach it, or what are the options that will be available with respect to that. You will also have the one option biomedical engineering, you will also have that one option aerospace engineering, you will also have that option civil and infrastructure engineering. So these all, you can take a screenshot of this. So you can also share with your friends who are into the 11th or who are into the 12th, and those students wants to go and wants to opt for the different types of engineering branches. Now AI and machine learning in India, AI engineering earn between 10 to 15 annually depending on experience and location. So basically what I am telling you here is basically the starting job. So if any student wants to go for that, then AI and machine learning, the initial will be 10 to 15 lakhs. Data science, the same 10 to 14 lakhs. Robotics and automation, 8 to 12 lakhs. Cyber security is also one of the most emerging technologies that students are opting for. And renewable energy is also there, 6 to 10 lakhs. Now, artificial and machine learning. So nowadays, if you will ask to any particular students, or even if you will Google it, what are the highest paying salaries with respect to the engineering, you will get two branches, AI and then data science. So these all are emerging technologies. So in future you will see that everywhere you will be using the AI, whether you want to go for electricity fan connections, in future electricity fan connections or your mobile connections or any type of software, also everywhere you will be using the AI. So AI will be the future. So obviously those who wants to go and explore their engineering, so AI is going to be one option, and yes, it is a trending engineering technology that you people can opt for. Okay. Now, if I will be talking about data science and big data, companies, most of your companies are rely on data to make informed decisions. So basically, if I am talking about data science and big data is basically what exactly? The companies, they used to capture each and every data, and based on that data they try to take the decision, they try to make some decision. For example, suppose if you are searching for any flight from one particular place to another particular place, as soon as you are searching, you are creating a data. For example, suppose if you are going to make my trip, and if you want to search for any particular journey, suppose if you want to go to Europe trip, or you want to go to Japan trip, or any kind of trip, and even if you are searching over the website, you are creating a data. So you are creating a footprint. So what this company does, they try to capture all this data, and based on that they try to take the decision. Okay, most of the people, they are trying to go on Saturday. So most of the people, they are not trying to go for Monday, so they try to give some kind of discount on Monday, so that people can also try to travel on Monday. So based on that they try to take the decisions. So here, doing some research into that or going for this type of things will also be the trending topics that you can have it. Now, robotics and automation, as we can say that the robots are transforming industries from manufacturing to healthcare. Everywhere, again, healthcare is one of the emerging sector. By utilization of robots, it will have a great future. So now you may have also seen over the reels, or you may have also seen over the YouTube, that the robots are performing the operations with the help of doctors, or doctors are performing the operations with the help of robots. So again, this technology or this engineering field is also a boom technology. So if you are searching, or if you are thinking that you are also having a little bit of inclination through this, so you can also try to join robotics. Many IITs are providing the master's degree, many IITs are providing the bachelor's degree in terms of robotics. So you people can, if you are having a little bit of interest, you people can also try to join this robotics and automation. Cyber security, whenever there is an internet, there is a problem of security. So how to manage those kind of security? So again, there are many IITs who are providing the different types of technologies, different types of the options, different types of graduations program, so that you people can also opt for cyber securities. So if you will personally ask me, sir, which type of branch that I should take care, or I should go into that, I'll simply say to you, first try to find out your passion. If your passion is towards the cyber security, prepare well, take admissions into IIT and try to have a good job. So first try to find out your passion, and based on that passion, then try to opt for the different types of branches. For example, the trending topics, if you will be asking, then I will be saying that you will be having the different types of topics like AI, machine learning, data science, cyber security. These all are the trending the engineering technologies, engineering discipline you can join, and you can have a good salary. Now, renewable energy is also the emerging technologies. Many people are also focusing on this. You may have seen that there was one podcast, and in that podcast, the few millionaires, they were talking about what will be the new technology where they can invest some money into that. So this is nothing but a new technology where millionaire also wants to invest a large amount of money, so which is nothing but renewable energy. You can also consider this. Biomedical engineering, yes, this is also one of the important topic or important discipline where you can opt for that, applied in hospitals, research labs and medical companies. Aerospace engineering, yes, so those students who wants to go for aerospace engineering, because again aerospace, this type of discipline or this type of branch, it will never going to stop, it will never going to end anywhere. So you can also opt for one of the engineering discipline, which is nothing but aerospace engineering. In India also, many IITs, they are also providing this discipline. You can do the masters, you can do the undergraduate programs if you are into the 11th or 12th. But if you have completed your engineering, you can also opt for aerospace engineering. Civil and infrastructure engineering. So those students who are into 11th and 12th, those students thinking that they want to go and they want to suggest or into this, they are very much into the civil engineering, they like the civil engineering, they want to go for a PSU's job, then they can also opt for this civil and infrastructure engineering. So even if you'll ask me the different types of, the branches, then I will be saying that try to divide into two parts. One is CS related, one is the other things. For example, if you are CS related, then I should say that go for AI, go for data science, go for machine learning, go for robotics. If you are going for non-CS, then you can go for renewable energy, biomedical energy, and then the civil engineering. Conclusion will be, as you can see that whatever I told you, the same thing, AI, data science, cyber security, robotics offers significant opportunity. Healthcare and renewable energy engineering are also growing rapidly. Select a career based on your passion and future engineering trends. So these two things that keep your mind. I hope that I have given you the plenty of information related to that. And still, if you have any doubt related to your career, and if you are thinking that which option you should go for, then comment in the section, then we'll reach out to you. Okay, thank you.